Crocodile Scutes, the story of scales as they age. Time etched in scales. They are the ancient survivors, the armored guardians of the waterways, and they carry a story written upon their very hide. Their scales are not simply armor. They are an intimate record of their lives, a unique system that shows every scratch, every change, and even their growth. And it is these markings that will help us to understand the journey of every single crocodile. Today we're diving beneath the surface to explore the fascinating world of crocodile scutes and uncover how these scales change throughout their lives and what this often overlooked detail reveals about their history. Hatchling scales, a delicate beginning. The journey of a crocodile's scales begins from the moment they hatch. As they emerge from their eggs, their skin is covered in small, delicate scales, relatively smooth in appearance, and almost perfectly formed. These new scales are smaller, more vulnerable, and have a more uniform design when compared to older animals, as they are still young and they have not yet started to make their own unique marks. Their skin reflects their early life and their initial vulnerability in their newly emerged world. Growth and change. Scales as a record of life. As the crocodile grows, their scales also undergo an incredible change, growing larger, becoming more heavily textured, and developing unique and often very individualistic markings and patterns. These are not just random changes. They are a testament to the constant growth, the constant change, and the unique story of every single animal. Each new scale becomes another chapter of their lives. They are showing the challenges they have faced and also the way they have thrived. The strength of time, texture, and hardening. With every passing year and with every molt, the crocodile's scales will grow tougher, with more pronounced ridges and a far stronger structure. Their scales become more durable over time, and it is this toughening process that provides them with increasing protection. It is through time and through adaptation that these scales begin to tell the story of the life of the creature. The more they grow, the stronger they become. Scarring and damage. Stories etched in scales. Every scratch, every scar, and every imperfection on a crocodile's scales is a permanent record of their past experiences. Their life is etched directly onto their hide, and these scars can tell stories of territorial disputes, of battles with predators, or even of damage incurred while hunting for prey. These are more than just marks. They are a physical reminder of the challenges that every individual has faced. Their bodies carry a record of all they have encountered. A map of their world, variations in scale patterns. The distribution and patterns of their scales are also as unique as their history, with patterns changing based on species, their environments, and their unique genetic history. These are not just random designs. They are carefully designed for the specific needs of their environment, with scales that adapt depending on where the creature is living. It's more than just a series of patterns. It is a map of their world and their own personal history. Research and conservation. Using scales to understand. Researchers use a variety of scientific tools to study these scales, including close-up photography, microscope analysis, and even genetic studies, and all in an effort to better understand crocodile life history, their overall health, and their overall population. These analyses provide an invaluable insight into their lives, offering scientists a way to learn about each individual crocodile and their specific needs. They are reading their scales, just like we would read a book. The threats of change, disrupting the narrative. Even the ancient history of a crocodile's scales and the information they can give to us is also now increasingly threatened by human activity. Pollution, habitat loss, and the impacts of climate change are all having a negative impact on crocodile populations. And this can also be seen in the health of their scales, which often show visible signs of damage. When they are hurt, so too is their story. A legacy in keratin. The crocodile's scales are so much more than just armor. They are a timeline, a personal history, and a testament to the resilience of these ancient reptiles. They showcase all that a crocodile has seen and all that they have achieved, and that story is just waiting to be discovered. By appreciating the power and the unique role of their skin, we also highlight our own place within their amazing and fragile world.